Alright, so how can you make $1,000 in the next 30 days? Alright, very simple, and I'm not gonna give you this cheesy answer like go get a job or some stupid shit like that. I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is, how you can make an extra $1,000 in the next 30 days using internet marketing. Let's jump right into it. Firstly, it's very simple. The first thing that you can do, and that is learn a new skill and go sell it. And then sell it. So what skills you can learn? You can learn something that you can service others. Okay, so if there's a local business, what skill can you learn that they will pay you for? Okay, you can learn SEO, which is search engine optimization. You can learn pay-per-click advertising. You can learn Facebook ads. You can learn social media management. You can learn Instagram. You can learn Facebook. You can learn a bunch of things, okay? So first step is learn a new skill. And no, it's not going to take you months and months and months to learn a new skill, okay? You can literally right now, right after this video, you can go YouTube or you can go to Google, you can do whatever, and you can search up, how do I rank sites in Google? Or how do I run Facebook ads? And there's going to be a bunch of guides out there for you that you can literally learn, and within a week, you'll be good at basically doing this, and you can go ahead and do this for other people. Just a week of studying. It's not going to take you a year. It's not going to take you 4 years. This is not a university or college. Literally, with just some patience and some time to actually learn a new skill, you can go ahead, learn a new skill, and then you'll be on your way to actually go ahead and sell the skill. So, before we jump into the selling the new skill, why do I recommend this? Okay? Why do I recommend learning SEO? Why do I recommend doing Facebook ads? Because these are the skills right now that local businesses need in order to survive. Okay? And that's very key. Local businesses are right now, they're going to shit. Like, they're all going downhill. Local retailers are all going downhill. Mom and pop shops are all going downhill. And the way that they get saved is for them to utilize and get into the new technology of doing Facebook ads, of being online in social media, and being in Google. And that's one of the major ways for them to stay alive. And they will pay good money for you to save their business. They will pay really good money. And for what you have to do is you have to see, okay, what the market needs and how can you profit from that. Right now, the market needs good SEOs, the market needs good marketers, the market needs good people that can generate traffic and basically bring business to local businesses, local retailers, local businesses, local mom and pop shops, restaurants, a bunch of stuff. So once you learn a new skill, what you can do, you can sell it to, and we're going to be making videos on how to do SEO, we're going to be making videos on how to do Facebook ads, but there's already bunch of videos out there. They can literally Google, how do I do Facebook ads? How do I do SEO? And you learn a new skill. There's no push button way to make $1,000 if you have no skills, okay? If you've been dead broke for the past 4 or 5 years, you're going to be dead broke in the next 4 or 5 years if you don't learn a new skill and adapt. So the most important thing that you have to do, learn a new skill, okay? And I gave you a bunch over here to do. Social media and Facebook ads is where it's at right now. Secondly, you want to sell it to local businesses. Okay? And this includes restaurants. This includes doctor's offices, construction, landscapers, literally anything. Okay? Anything that's in a local business. If you go into the normal plaza right now, what do you see? You see a ophthalmologist, you see local mom and pop shops, you see random stores, and they all are dying because they don't have enough people going to their store. And what you can do with the new skills that you learned, you can bring people, make them aware that a store like that exists, and drive traffic to their store and drive visitors to the store so that they won't die out and file for bankruptcy. Okay, so you're literally saving a business. So there's literally a bunch of stuff, bunch of local businesses out there that you can do, go ahead and approach to sell these services to. Now, what's stopping you right now, okay? There's some objections that you probably have right now. Let me just go ahead and switch the color of this. Let's look at the objections that you have right now. Okay, objections. A, you don't know the skill. You got no skill. Okay. B, you don't know how to sell. No selling skills, which falls under the first one. Third, you don't have a business. You don't have a corporation. You don't have a business plan. And then on and on and on. Okay, there's a bunch of things that you can do that's stopping you. I'm going to go ahead and knock them out one by one. Okay, no skill. Well, you live in a time right now, it's 2018. If you don't know where to learn something new, then you shouldn't be in entrepreneurship anyway. If you want to learn a new skill, freaking Google it. You can learn anything. You can learn how to make a hydrogen bomb by just Googling it. Okay, you can literally learn anything. You can learn how to mold stuff. You can learn how to make slime. You can learn how to do SEO. You can learn everything online. Just Google it, and you gotta have the patience to do it. So there you go. First one done, out of the water. You don't know how to sell. I'm gonna be teaching you that. I'm gonna be teaching you how to sell. Okay, so no problem. I got you. No corporation. You don't need a corporation to sell something. You yourself are a business. Okay, Jay-Z says this. You're a businessman. A businessman, okay? You cut that in half. You're a businessman. Jay-Z said that. You yourself are a business, okay? You're a walking, living, breathing business. If you want to pop out a lemonade stand, you don't need a corporation files, all right? Especially if it's only $1,000. You're a sole proprietor, okay? You don't need to make a corporate business. All right, so don't let that stop you. You don't have any business plans. Same thing. You don't let that shit stop you. The only thing that you need to know is your skill and how to sell. That's it. That's your business plan. I'm gonna be showing you those two things. Well, first thing, you can just Google it. There's really good information out there. I don't have to repeat myself. There's already really damn good information on how to learn SEO, how to do Facebook ads. But there's not really good enough information on how to sell, and that's what we're gonna cover. So I'm gonna I'm gonna give you some skills now, but we're gonna go really in depth with this in the next couple of videos. I'm gonna make a couple of videos for this, or if you guys want to learn how to sell, that's the key. Firstly, what we're gonna go over, and then secondly, what we're gonna go over, why is selling important? Okay, because there's a bunch of ways that you can make money out there that does not require you contacting another human being. Okay? And I know the age that we live in right now, we're scared of sales. We're scared of picking the phone and calling a random guy. We're scared of approaching someone. We're scared of asking for money. We're scared to do those things because when we were kids, our parents told us not to talk to strangers. Our parents told us not to ask for people for money, that it's rude, that it's annoying. And all of those things that we're told as kids is distilled in us right now, and which is one of the main reasons why people nowadays don't know how to sell. They don't know how to pick up the phone and sell. They don't know how to approach people and sell. And that's it. And that's one of the biggest pain points. Everyone right now, even you got just be honest with yourself. And even I, when I first started out, how can I make the easiest money without learning how to sell? That's why I got into affiliate marketing. That's why I got into a bunch of ways that I can make money without selling to someone. Okay? And that's why I did it, because I didn't like selling. But once you understand that selling something is literally the easiest thing that you can do. So let's talk about it for a second. In affiliate marketing, on average, this is saying on average, okay? There's different cases of this. In affiliate marketing, it's going to take you 30 to 60 days before you make your first dollar. That's on average. Your first 30 days of starting out, you won't make a single dollar. Now, if you compare that to selling your services, you'll have your first client within the first 30 days. And what's a client? A client's going to pay you a minimum of $1,000 to $2,000 a month. You can literally get your first paying client paying you $2,000 a month. Okay? Now, if it requires learning how to sell, would you do that? Or would you sacrifice those 30 days or even 60 days to earn $1 instead? Or would you willing to learn how to sell your services, and make an extra $2,000 a month? We'll learn how to do that. Right? And millennials nowadays, I'm a millennial, they don't want to know how to sell. That's the most bullshit thing ever. You have to learn how to sell, because selling a service, especially a service that is in need like these ones, firstly, it's extremely easy because it's needed, and people, the customers, the local businesses understand that it's needed. So selling it would not be a problem. You just gotta get the balls and go ahead, learn how to sell it. Okay? So how do you sell? You got multiple ways. And you're not gonna like these. But I don't care what you like. You're in this video to learn how to make money, and that's what I'm telling you. I don't care if you like this or not. Door to door. Pick a plaza to go in. Okay? You're like, today I'm gonna go approach this plaza. Do your research, go each plaza, you pitch them one by one by one by one. Okay? You pitch them your services, you pitch them SEO, you pitch them Facebook ads. Now the question is, what do you pitch? And we're going to go over that in the next video. Okay? What do you pitch if you're selling SEO or Facebook ads or PPC? I'm going to be doing that video as a follow-up for this video. So this one's covered. Okay? Let's go back to this. How you can sell door-to-door, cold calling, and emails. There you go. And we're going to go over all of these in the what to pitch video. And we're going to cover that literally right now. So guys, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, go on the channel, and then look for this video. How do you pitch to local businesses? That's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. But this is literally the easiest way to make $1,000. $1,000 a month, I should add. Okay? Now, I don't care if you like this or not. This is what you gotta do, and this is the stupidly easiest way ever. Okay? If you want to do affiliate marketing, if you want to do freelancing, if you want to do any of that stuff, it's gonna take you 30 to 90 days for you to make a single dollar. Okay? We don't want that. We want fastest way to get to $1,000 a month, or make $1,000 in the next 30 days. This is the fastest way. By literally asking someone for money in exchange for your services. Now, these are the services you gotta learn. I'm not going to teach you how to do SEO Facebook ads, because there's already a bunch of guides out there that teach you that already. So Google it. There you go. I'm going to teach you how to sell it. That's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.